In order to create sound effects like these,
Calm down. I didn't want to hurt you. Perhaps you should have thought of that before you killed my son.
you need to get sound effects off of the sound effects library. This can be found in the group transfer. Go to production folder, then sound, then whichever sound effects you prefer, and pick your sound effect. The sound effect of a spray can would give people the impression that somebody was in a bathroom. If you decide you like this sound effect, you have to drag and drop onto your desktop. Once the sound effect is on your desktop, you can just drag it onto your soundtrack profile and it will play as normal.
You took my mason! Lucy, no, calm down.